This video demonstrates the work conducted by Cognitics for the OGC 3D Data Container and Tiles pilot. We will be demonstrating our server implementation of the API and the technical integration experiments to all participant servers using the Unity 3D client. The goal of this pilot was to design, implement, and test an environment that allows smooth integration of both 2D tiled and 3D tiled geospatial data. This is the landing page in JSON format. This is the collections page. This page shows the bounding box for the New York Buildings collection. Here we show how we executed our bounding box tie test by altering the bounding box intersection. If the participant servers successfully implemented the bounding box query function, the New York Buildings collection would be excluded from the available collections list in our client. Now we will see the Cognitics tie test using the Unity 3D client. First, click on the File menu, then select the 3DT link. Enter the server URL and the available collections will appear in the dialog box. Click on the New York Buildings collection and the buildings will page in. Now we will review the technical integration experiments for the participant servers. First, we have Helix. Next, we have Share. This is Skymantics. This is Steinweiss. And finally, Cesium. Thank you for watching our demonstration video. Thank you for watching our demonstration video.